The confirmation of charges hearing at the International Criminal Court is only a procedural step. It is not yet a conviction. It is not yet a verdict. It is the beginning of a formal process where evidence will be tested and rights will be protected. Let the process unfold. Let evidence be presented. Let the truth, wherever it leads, to be established in the ICC as an international court of law. For too long, the drug war was framed as a battle between order and chaos. But the real divide has always been between impunity and accountability. Today, we must choose. I stand for accountability. I stand for the rule of law. And above all, I stand for the Filipino people, especially the voiceless, the powerless, and the grieving, who deserve nothing less than justice.